Hey developers, this is Jack Wallen and I'm here to help you make tech work. Chroot environments, or chroot environments, have been a feature of Linux for some time. What they do is create isolation for testing and development purposes. With this isolation, you can be certain whatever application you're testing won't have access to the system environment, keeping you safe from any adverse effects from the app. Let's see how easy chroot environments are to create with Atoms. Log into your desktop and open a terminal window. Install Atoms with the command flatpak install Atoms. Make sure to answer 1 to install to the system, and then answer Y to the remaining questions. Next, open Atoms from your desktop menu. Click Create New Atom. Name the chroot environment, select a distribution for the chroot environment, and then select a release for the distribution. Once you've configured the chroot environment, click Create, and Atoms will set about creating the new environment. Click Close when prompted, and you'll see your new chroot listed. Click the entry, and you'll see how easy it is to browse files, choose mount points to expose, and access the console where you can start working and testing the applications you're developing.
Hey everybody! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our TechRepublic YouTube channel, and be sure to check out more how-to videos at How to Make Tech Work.